Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily block and unblock someone on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Facebook app. Then you can tap right here at that Friends tab, and after that you can go to Your Friends and then open up someone's profile, or you can just open up someone's person's profile that is not your friend. And right now all you have to do is tap at this three dots icon and then select block. After you block this user, they will no longer be able to see your posts, tag you, invite you to events or groups, start a conversations with you, and add you as friend. To confirm it, just hit add block. Now let me show you how you can easily unblock any user. So all you have to do is first off hit add menu icon, and then right here tap at that gear icon to open up settings. On settings, get into profile settings, and on that step you can easily find blocking setting. You can just get into it, and that will show you all the users that you have blocked on Facebook. And from here you can easily unblock any user by hitting at that unblock button next to person's name, just like that, and then just confirm it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Facebook tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.